Listen carefully. So be careful and listen properly. Okay? Please sit down and close your all applications. Okay? Okay? Close your mobile phones and books. Please listen carefully. I just introduce the 4th unit. Okay? So first of all, good afternoon, my dear friends.
Good afternoon.
Welcome to CAT Group of Institution. This is Hanuman Sai Kishore from AID A section, team number 1. Okay, so this is our TTL batch. You know, so who are present well, they also certified like this. Okay, so every presentation is good. Clear? Image is clear? Okay, unit 4, schema refinement. Unit number 4, schema refinement is nothing but normalization. Is nothing but normalization. When any lesson, any topic and any subject, first we know the what is the topic name or unit name. What is the advantages in our present purchasing the degree or BTech or intermediate any stage. We know the what is the use in our topic to our daily life. Okay, I said 3. So in this lesson, what is normalization? What is that use in our semester? What is the use and what is the benefits or advantages in our daily life? What is the benefits? You know that first of all. Okay. So I tell what is normalization. Normalization means already you know in our before sections, before classes we know. Normalization means it is example in mathematics. It is called normal. You know normal in mathematics. Like that, we take another example. We take any liquids. You know liquids. We normalize to both. One salt water to normal water. Okay, I will tell. Next thing, what is the uses of this chapter in our semester? It is the 4th unit. It is, you know, total we have 7 marks per question, 14 marks per unit. In 4th unit, we have 14 marks. It is depend upon the normalization. Okay, in normalization definition, we normalize the data to organize to the database. Clear? We have data. The data we organize to the database. Clear? Clear. Just as a symbol. That's it. Next. In normalization, we have total 6. Total 6 types of normalization. 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, BCNF, 4NF, 5NF. So present we take major 3. 1NF, 2NF, 3NF. Okay, what is the benefits of advantages in our daily life? You know data. Data means name, roll number, another any phone number, identification. That data we use to the database. This is the basic benefits in our daily life. And also higher database security. In normalization we have security because we normalize the data. Total we have two classes are there, class A, class B, but we have separate into two sections. One class is 50 members and another class is 40 members. We segregate into two parts. We mixed 50 plus 40 equal to 90. Divided, separate 45, 45. It is normalized data. Clear? So, DBMS, all of you know, database management system subject. In normalization, balancing device. You know, in our childhood time, we have in market like Takeda. You know, balancing machine called as. So, we have 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg, half kg. Like that. We have material like sugar. In one side, we put 1 kg. Okay. And sugar. We balancing both. Okay, that is called as normalization. First of all, I give clarity about normalization. That's why I tell you. In normalization, we take liquids. This is pure water. It is full of sugar water. It is salt water. In this beaker, it is 250 milliliter of water and 500 grams sugar. In this beaker, 250 milliliters of water, 500 grams of sugar, salt. So, we balancing both. Which quantity we taken liquid and also same quantity we taken material. So, we balancing both these water into these material, we equalize. We use pure water to normalize. Clear? To normalize we use pure water and 250 milliliter of water and 500 grams of sugar material. In this place sugar is not mixed in the water. That's why we use some water to balancing. Clear? To normalizing. We take maths. In mathematics, normalization is 10. Clear? 10, they said prove 10 equal to 10. We have so many ways. 5 plus 5, 5 plus 8 plus 2. It is equal to 10. It is equal to 10. 8 plus 2, 6 plus 4, 10 equal to 10. So it is mean normalizing the data, normalizing the given data. And in addition means in our normalization we have 3 topics. This is about related to our normalization. We have insertion, deletion, updation. So that's why we taken updation means addition. we have 10 equal to 10 plus 6 is we divide into two parts like 10 plus 3 10 plus 3 6 will be divided into 3 plus 3. This is called we have 10 equal to 10 data. This data we use separate the 6 equal to 3 plus 3. That's why this data is normalized. Clear? Understand? That's why this is normalized. Plus 6 is the addition means updation. We update the 6 to the 10 and data. 10 is data. Okay? And subtraction means deletion. We have 8. 8 is the data and we delete the minus 4. Some data we delete. That's 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. 4 equal to 4. This is called normalization. We take variables a equal to b equal to c. They give condition a equal to b equal to c. A is 2, b is 2. C find out. They give also condition a equal to c, c equal to b. Clear? A equal to c, c equal to b. They give also a equal to 2, b equal to 2. It is very easy to find out the c value. So a equal to c means a value 2. That's why c equal to 2. Then a equal to b equal to c equal to 2. This is normalization. Clear? So we have listen, total normalization means we organizing the data into the database. They divided into 6 types. One NF means first normal form, second normal form, third normal form. Next one is say BCNF. Next one is 4NF. Next one is 5NF. Total 6 types. We majorly take 3. 1NF, 2NF, 3NF. I have 3 volunteers from your side. Anybody come here? Come fast. Abhiyan. Srikanth. Wait, sit. Show that person. So, three types: 1NF, 2NF, 3NF. Okay. What is 1NF? First normal form. First normal form contains data, serial number, name, roll number. So in 1NF it contains data. In this data the conditions are don't repeat 2 times. They contains single row. We find out unique. Okay, unique data. That is called as 1NF. 2NF means they also contain data. They also follow the rows. And they also follow the unique data, and they also are called as don't repeat the 2 times per each data. We have Kishore right here. Kishore is next number is 4, KISHORE and 5762. These data is don't repeat it. That is the condition. Clear? So 2NF is follows the 1NF. 1NF satisfied and they implemented like updation. Updated data is called as 2NF. 3NF means they also updated like 2NF conditions follow and 3NF also follows the 2NF data and they also implemented. ID is must should like primary key. We have data. These data we add. We have the ID 541, 532, 562. We have ID. It is updated in the 3NF. So 1NF, 2NF, 3NF. Data is increases. We use these normal forms in the normalization unit. Thank you. Small advantages in about normalization form. We take like our college system, kind group of institutions. In that system we have these portals like Excel, like Word document, some more things. We use the normalization form. I contain data, name, roll number, section, branch. That data I have. Our CR asking me give the name of the student, roll number of the student, serial number of the student. I delete the some part and give the data. I contain the name, roll number, branch, section, ID, phone number. This I contain. They give only some data, I give that data. That is called normalized. Deletion, updation, insertion. Finally we normalize the data and submit to them. Clear? Thank you.